Hello family, warmest welcome back to the La Vista channel. To my old and the new family, say thank you so much for coming back, and if this happens to be your first time, please do not forget to subscribe and join the family. So it's another cook video from Hobby, and he says he has really appreciated all the comments and he has to do more, so he did a simple Gari Fortor video for everyone to enjoy, so please stay tuned. This is exceptional food which needs very few ingredients and very economical as well. So for this beautiful dish, you will need some palm oil, some gari, yes, you will need some onions, you need some ginger and hot habanero pepper. And usually this food goes really very well with fish, but you can also pair with chicken if that is what you have. You can pair with any meat of choice if that is what you have. Okay, and of course we do have some salt to taste and some tomatoes as well, which has been chopped, and of course a little bit of avocado. All the other ones that are coming now is just to garnish the food and make the food look nice. The very first thing that he does is to fry the fish, which he sprinkled a little bit of salt on it and then just fry it. You can use tilapia fish if you want, salmon, any kind of fish at all, and then you just fry. Once you're done with the frying, you just go ahead to grind all the pepper, the ginger and the onions that you saw earlier on. That is what we're doing now. He grinds it till it forms a smooth paste. Oh, this is a beautiful twist. He just add one of the fried fish to it and then grind it all together again. Once that part is done, he go ahead to fry the palm oil with some onions that he chopped, and yes, just to give it a beautiful flavor. To every good Gari Fortor dear, you do not need your Gari to be crunchy. So go ahead to sprinkle just a little bit of water, not too much. We are not doing soakings here, okay? It's just Gari Fortor, so you just sprinkle a little bit of water just to make it a bit soft, so that you almost feel like when you're doing something like couscous, you just feel the same texture. That is what we're looking for. It shouldn't be super dry, it shouldn't be super wet. Okay, so when that part is done, you just go ahead to blend all the blended ginger, you know, your onions and the pepper, you blend it with the gari, and yes, it is that simple. Make sure everything is well mixed together to the extent that you don't even see the blended ingredients in it. You just blend it very well together. This is just absolutely gorgeous, and to make the dish look more colorful and, you know, presentable, you just go ahead to sprinkle a bit of the palm oil to your gari and you get the beautiful color. I mean, this is just gorgeous. You just don't have to also pour the palm oil all at once. You just have to sprinkle it little by little, just so when it's enough, you just go by eyeballs, you know that it's okay, and then that is it. This dish is really very simple. All that is left right now is for you to garnish your dish with your avocados, your tomatoes and your onions, fish. You know, you can go ahead and add a few more ingredients if you like, take away the ones you don't like, and there you have it. Really simple and so quick for you to make. So family, if you like this video, please give him a thumbs up, and he will be reading all the comments. And do not forget to subscribe if you are new here, and join the happy family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so much family for watching. See you in the next video.